Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today we'll discuss about the log backup. So in the last class we have discussed about the full backup and the differential backup. So in this class we are discussing what is a log backup. Okay, so the log backup will take the backup of transactional log file as we have discussed. In the full backup and the differential backup we are taking the backup of data file and the log file, but in the log file we are just only taking the backup of transactional log file. Last backup will take the means here I'm writing the log backup will take the backup of transaction log file. Okay, it will consider the last log backup every time, means every time it con- consider the last log backup. Okay, so our in it depends on the application to application. In few organization the strategy of taking the backup is every day sorry every Sunday full backup, every day suppose 9 a.m. differential backup, and every hour log backup. This is a strategy in some of the organizations. They are taking in every day full backup, in every hour differential backup, and in every 15 minutes log backup. So it depends organization to organization. So as we know that log backup, it is an incremental backup. It will take the backup piece by piece. Means log backup is taking means piece by piece. Suppose log backup is an incremental backup, and it is taking the backup piece by piece. That's how. Suppose in organization they have decided in every hour they are taking the log backup. So from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. how many log backups are there they will take? So the answer is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. one log backup, then from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. one log backup, then from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. one log backup. So from 10 to 2, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. Sorry, here it's 12, 12 to 1 p.m. and from 1 to 2 p.m. From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So one log backup file. So the total is 4 log backup file will take from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so in this way the organizations are practiced. So here I am showing the demo that how the log backup is taking. In generally in the organization they have created a jobs. In job that job is running every they have set the timing. So at every that timing the job is running every 15 minutes or every hour. But I'm showing you here the manually how take the log backup. So these are all the databases are there. Suppose I'm just taking the backup. Deloitte task backup. So in this backup type, here's the three option: full, differential, and transactional log. So I'm taking the transactional log backup. So I'm removing this one. I need to add the path. Here the path I have added. Now I need to create the file. So Deloitte. I'm just taking 1805 2026 910 910 dot trn. What is the extension of that? Log file dot trn. So I'm clicking on OK. OK. I'm creating a script through here. The script has been created. So command is backup database did backup log database name to file path, and these are all the parameters. I'm clicking over execute. So the backup has been taken successfully for the log backup. So here we are coming and see the log backup. So here is Deloitte 910. This 277 KB log backup is taken. Again, if we want to take, we can take from here. We can able to just edit 910. We are creating the different file. Now is 911. Okay, 911. I'm just creating a one new file. Execute. It's taken successfully. So here at 911, log backup has been taken, 85 KB. Okay, so in this way we need to take the log backup. So now I'm coming over here. There is one scenario based question for you people. Suppose in suppose in one of the organization, okay, the backup strategy, backup strategy, strategy. They have every Sunday. Every Sunday they are. Before that, I want to discuss about one thing. This log file are taking in the chain wise. Okay, so the chain wise. So from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. from 11 to 12, 12 to 1. So one file, four files has been created. So if you want to restore in the future, you need all the four files are there. If any one of the file is deleted in the from the chain, then it's not possible to restore that transactional log file. You need to be the all transactional log file. Okay, so what is the matter? So for restoring we need, because the log file are created in the LSN number, log file creating in the LSN number, which is called log sequence number. Okay, so this thing remember, for restoring the log file you need all the log files. Now we are coming over here. There is one scenario based question, backup strategy. Every Sunday full backup. Every day diff backup, differential backup at 9 a.m. Log backup every hour. Now DB got created, DB got corrupted at 10 p.m. So how can you restore? What is the strategy? So here I am explaining the strategy. We need to take the latest full backup. Latest. So sorry, DB corrupted 10 p.m. on Friday. Friday. So this is the question. How can you restore the backup? So every day full backup, differential backup 9 a.m., log backup every hour. DB got corrupted on Friday. So we need to take the latest full backup on last Sunday. Okay. Now differential backup latest on Friday we have corrupt. Yes, Friday 9 a.m. with no recovery, the latest differential backup we have taken. So from 9 a.m. from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Friday. 10 p.m. Friday. That means how many log backups we need to take? 9. 9 a.m. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 12, 13. 13, the 12 log backup with no recovery, and the 13th log backup we have to take in recovery mode. So in this way we can restore our corrupted databases. So hope you understand the strategy or the concept of the log backup, how we are taking over the strategy. So if you like this video, please subscribe to DBA Guardians. I will upcoming with the scenario based question in the next video. Thank you.